If you're someone who wants to make money online but doesn't want to hustle 12 hours a day, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the laziest, beginner-friendly ways to make $100 or more per day online, even if you have no experience, no fancy skills, and no big investment. These methods are real, easy to start, and have worked for thousands of people around the world. Let's jump right in. Want to earn $100+ a day online without showing your face? Here's one of the laziest ways to do it. Copy-paste YouTube automation. Step 1. Use free tools like ChatGPT for scripts and Canva for editing. Step 2. Focus on trending topics like motivational stories and finance tips. Once monetized, YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views. Real talk. Many channels earn $100 to $500 daily, scaling to $10,000 a month. Lazy level, high. Set it up, then outsource or automate everything. Ready to start? Or keep dreaming? Your choice. Ever thought about making money while you sleep? Here's the lazy way to do it with affiliate marketing and AI. Step 1. Use AI to write killer product reviews. Post them on free blogs or make short, snappy videos. No need to create or ship products, just drive traffic. Join networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Start small, earn $10 $50 a day, and scale up. It's medium to high lazy. Set it up and let it earn. I'm about to put you on to the easiest way to make money online. Print on demand with AI designs is the secret. Use AI tools like Canva or Midjourney to create viral designs. Upload them to Redbubble, TeePublic, or Printful plus Etsy. When someone buys, they print and ship it for you. You just sit back and earn profits. Some beginners make $50, $100 a day. Top sellers over $10,000 a month. Lazy level? Very high. Upload once, earn for years. Ready to start your passive income journey? I'm about to put you on to a game-changing income hack. This is a one-time work, long-term income method. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks or Notion templates on hot topics. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Etsy. No need to be a writer or designer. AI's got your back. Potential earnings? $100 to $200 a day with some promotion. Lazy level? High. It's digital real estate that earns passively. Are you ready to start your passive income journey? Or did I just make you consider a new side hustle? Be honest. Let me show you how to make money on Fiverr without lifting a finger. Step 1. Create a gig for something simple, like logo design. Step 2. When you get an order, hire a cheaper freelancer elsewhere. This is called freelance arbitrage, and it's genius. You keep the profit, they do the work. People are making $100, $300 a day doing this. Ready to try it and earn without the hustle? So I'm supposed to make money and have free time? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I fake it in 3 steps. Step 1. Use free AI art tools like Crayon or DALL-E. Create stunning phone wallpapers and wall art. Step 2. List your creations on Etsy or Creative Market. Perfect time to watch your earnings grow while you relax. Final step. Enjoy the passive income, no effort required. Boom, instant cash flow, no shipping required. Y'all see this? Start selling today. And watch the downloads roll in, or keep struggling, your choice. Ever thought about making money with ready-made content? Here's how you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Buy PLR content from sites like plr.me or IDPLR. Step 2. Slightly edit the name or design to make it your own. Step 3. Sell it on Gumroad, your website, or email list. You can even bundle them into mini courses or coaching kits. Earnings? $20, $100 a day with the right topics and low competition. It's like having a business in a box ready to go. Why wait? Start today and watch your income grow.